It's told in the problem that A and B are the vectors from the origin to the point A and B is told in the problem. Then what is the area of the triangle so formed is the question asked. This is vector A told in the problem according to the description of the question. This is B. Now what is the area of the triangle? Area of triangle AOB, that is equal to half times magnitude of A cross B, correct? Half times magnitude of A cross B. So first you calculate what is the value of A cross B. That is nothing but I cap, J cap, K cap. Then 2 minus 3 2 and 2 3 1, correct? So what is this answer that we get? I cap times, leave the row and column, minus 3 minus 6 minus J cap times, leave the row and column, 2 minus 4 plus K cap times, what is this? Leave the row and column. So what do you get? 6 plus 6, correct? So minus 9 I cap plus 2 J cap plus 12 K cap, correct? Plus 12 K cap. Now you calculate the magnitude of A cross B. What do you get when you calculate the magnitude of A cross B? Root of 81 plus 4 plus 144. So what is this answer that we get? Root of 85 plus 144. So 14 plus 8, 5 plus 9 is 20, 5 plus 9, 5 plus 4 is 9, 14 plus 8 will be equal to 29. So what is this answer that we get? Root 229 divided by 2 will be the answer to the question.